In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to promote CLICKBANK products without a website. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, currently in the apartment in Germany. And as stated before, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to promote CLICKBANK products without a website. A lot of people think that they cannot succeed or get sales or get results, right? Because of they're not moving forward with CLICKBANK because they don't know how to create a website, right? They're not tech savvy, right? And what we're going to do is step behind the laptop and show you guys a simple method that you guys can use as soon as today to generate your first sale today with CLICKBANK without any website required, right? So let's get right into it. But before we do, my number one recommendation to actually make money online will be the first link in the description. Make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell to join the family, right? So let's step behind the laptop. All right, so if you look here, guys, there's traffic, there's an offer, and then there's the money sign, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to drive very targeted traffic, laser targeted traffic, people who are going to be begging to buy what it is you're selling, right? And instead of leveraging a website, right, we're actually going to go ahead and drive traffic directly to the CLICKBANK offer, right, which is going to convert into a ridiculous amount of sales. Now, let's go ahead and take a look. First and foremost, we need to find a CLICKBANK product, right? Now, guys, the biggest three niches are health, wealth, and romance, right? So for this example, I'm going to go to the health and fitness and the fitness niche, right? Now, guys, I'm not going to go ahead and actually look and show you guys how to find the perfect offer, right? That's a whole nother avenue within itself, right? But simply after because guys, look, there's literally 1,300 weight loss products, right? So within the 1,300 products, there's a really good converting offer, right? So you have to do your own due diligence, your own research to find the perfect offer. What I'm going to do just for time's sake is I'm going to go ahead and promote whatever is the most popular, right? I'm not endorsing this. This is just what's the most popular, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys for this example how you guys can use this method once you guys find a really good offer, right? So it says flat belly fix, right? Just to see what the page looks like, I'm going to go ahead and open it into a new tab. And the super simple morning habit accidentally melted 84 pounds of fat, right? So we're going to go ahead and press promote. Then the next step, guys, is we're going to go ahead and press create, right? Now, guys, they're going to go ahead and give you this ugly link. Now, I have a question for you. If you saw this ugly long link, would you click it? I personally wouldn't, right? So what you're going to do is next, you're going to leverage something called Bitly, right? You can either go ahead and just go to bitly.com and create a link, or if you want to create custom links, you can create a free account, right? So you're simply going to go to press create. Once you create an account with Bitly, go to bitly.com, bitly.com. And this is going to go ahead and give you guys a customized link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually customize the link, right? So I'm going to say melt 84 pounds, right? I'm going to leverage, or actually lose 84 pounds. I'm going to press save. Now I have this link, right? Now, guys, the next step. So if we look here, what part? We have this offer, right? We already have this, right? The objective, the ending goal is to generate sales. Now we just need extremely targeted traffic, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage something called YouTube influencers, right? It's called YouTube influencer ads. You don't need a website. You can literally drive traffic directly to your offer. Why? The psychology behind it is because literally the video that the influencer has created is already prepping the person to be in a buying state, meaning they're watching this video because they want to learn how to fix their problem, right? So this works for any niche. In this specific niche, I'm going to be talking about people who want to lose weight, right? So what are things people would search for, right? How to lose weight, how to lose belly fat, how to lose fat, how to lose calories, how to cut calories, right? How to cut calories. That's one. Or how to lose weight. Now, if I was trying to lose weight, what's the first thing? Now, guys, be creative, but for an example, right? I can even say best diet to lose weight, right? Best diet to lose weight. Now, guys, the next step, right? Once you go ahead and find keywords, right? Search for keywords that people are going to be searching for. The next step is you want to go ahead and filter. Now, what I like to do is I like to filter the upload date to this month, right? Now guys, this person, Gravity Transformation, literally they uploaded this video 1 week ago, and 81,000 views. So that means it's a current video, and within 1 week it has 81,000 views, so it's getting a ridiculous amount of traction, right? Now guys, for time's sake, I'm not going to go into it, but what I would highly recommend, right, is finding somebody. I would find somebody who doesn't have that many subscribers. For this video, I'm not going to do it, but I would find somebody who doesn't have that many subscribers but has a really good video, who has a lot of traction, right? So an example, for this example, I'm going to use somebody who has a lot of subscribers. I would then go to this person. So it's Monsoon Weight Loss Diet Plan. And then the next step, what you would do is you would go to that person's profile, and then you would, where are we? About. So this person doesn't have it. Okay, we'll go to this person right here, just for time's sake. But guys, you guys are going to do this over and over and over again. Reach out to influencers, right? And the way you're going to reach out to these influencers is you go to their about page, right? And then it says, there's going to be this little tab that says for business inquiries, view email. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm not a robot. You're going to press submit. And then it's going to go ahead and give you access to their email. I don't know why it's acting like this. Okay. So I have their email. Now guys, this is just one account. You can literally do 20 to 30 accounts per day, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Gmail. So you're going to go to press compose, right? And then you're going to add the person's email. And then what you're going to do is the subject line is going to be business inquiry YouTube, right? I spelled that wrong. And then I have this template, this pre-made template, and I'll actually leave this template in the description, right? I wrote this up myself. So what I would do, guys, I would obviously not send this from my email as Eric Ellis, but for example's sake, what I would do is say, hello, my name is Jessica. I like your weight loss video on YouTube. And then for this specific one, if we go back to the actual video, so I would tailor it. So her name is Megan. So I'll say, hello, Megan. My name is Jessica. I like your how I lost 60 pounds video on YouTube. Very inspiring. I've had similar struggles in the past, and content like that really helped me get to where I am today, right? So I'm not just pitching them, right? I'm actually showing them that I've actually watched their video, which I really didn't, but showing them that I watched their video, that I actually care about them making an impact, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and transition into the pitch, right? So my journey, or my weight loss journey, has also inspired me to create a fitness blog to help others, right? I was wondering if I could pay you to put my website blog's link in your description to boost my rankings on Google so I can help more people, right? Thanks, Jess. Now, guys, I reached out to one person. I'm simply going to go ahead and as many as I can, right? How to lose weight. Best diet for weight loss. Best diet to lose weight fast. I'm just going to go and do this over and over and over again. I'm going to reach out to all these influencers and see the best prices that I can get for the best quality videos, right? And then once I actually get one of these people to do business with me, the next step is getting them your link, right, that we just created. I'm just trying to look at something here. Okay, so here's one right here. So this isn't weight loss, but if you notice, this person, and out of all those I just looked at, this person, look, free bulking meal plan. And then he has a bit.ly link, right? So that bit.ly link is going to be selling something. So you're going to be doing the same thing with your bit.ly link, right? But instead of you using your own video and your own traffic, you're going to reach out to these YouTube influencers who are going to go ahead and actually, you're going to partner with them, and then you negotiate a price. For people who are going to be asking, how much should I pay, guys? I'll start at about $20. The maximum I would pay is however much the sell is for your actual item, right? And it all depends on how much traffic the the videos generating, how that's it, how targeted it is, and how much traffic it's generating, right? So with that being said, guys, that's how you promote ClickBank products. That's one of the various ways, but one of the ways that you can promote ClickBank products without having a website, right? But if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, because I drop heat on the daily to help you guys live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And number two, if you guys want to, my #1 recommended affiliate marketing course that'll actually help you guys walk away from that 9 to 5 and teach you guys how to leverage paid advertisement for affiliate marketing and ClickBank products, right? It'll be the second link in the description. Second link, right? I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys access to a free training as well as a course that you guys can invest into that'll help you take your business to the next level and help you quit that 9 to 5 and help you live your life of freedom. And with that being said, go ahead and get access to that down below, second link in the description. I appreciate you guys so very much. As always, great brothers, keep checking.